Alright, family. Today, I just received my new radio that I ordered off of eBay. I'm gonna put a picture up in here somewhere in the video. And I'm gonna attempt to take this out and install the new radio. Again, I am not a professional. I just be watching YouTube videos and then I just do what I watch. So stay tuned. All right, so first thing you wanna do is you wanna pop this open, reach under here. I don't know if you can see it. When you reach under here, this thing just pulls right off. And then you should have a screw on that side, screw on that side. We're gonna unscrew, then we're gonna pop this part out, and then there should be 2 screws behind there. So just give me a minute, let me situate it, and then I'm gonna show you. All right, so as you can see, I did take both of those screws out. And now what I did was just carefully go around with this tool to loosen it all up. So once you loosen it all up, you just pull it straight, and then just be careful because they're plugged in. So you're gonna unplug those, and then you're gonna take those 2 screws on both sides. If you can see it, hold on. That's screw 1, screw 2. You're gonna unscrew those along with unplugging it. So just give me a minute. It's really hard to do with one hand, so give me a second. All right, so I just removed that. I'm using my drill. A little quicker, a little easier. Unscrew. Unscrew. Just be careful so they don't drop. Drop it in there. Unscrew. Drop it in there. Alright, so now everything's unscrewed, so this should just pull out. Again, it's my first time, so bear with me. Let me see, I might have to put it down and try to do it with 2 hands. So that's all it was. 2 hands, pull it up a little bit. Now, be careful because it is still plugged in back here. So you want to just unplug all of these cords. I'll try to do that. Let's see. One out. See how to do this. And push that in, 2 out. Then you got one at the bottom. I'm sorry, the camera going everywhere. Got it out. Boom. Radio out of here. Then the new radio is plug and play. So give me a second while I set that up, and I'm gonna show you how to look. All right, so once the radio is off, you wanna keep your AC, that unit, this little piece right here, you wanna keep this with the new radio. So just flip this up and around, and you just unscrew this little bracket off, so that way you could just push this piece out. So I'm gonna get to that right now. And all right, so just plug them cables in and just match them to the respective pieces. It's only gonna be these right here, these 2. We're gonna go with the radio and then the power. And then this bottom one is gonna just go right back to the same for the AC. So just give me a second, let me plug that in, and then we're gonna test it out. All right, so what you wanna do is you wanna take the bracket from the old radio and then just piece it onto here. So that's what I just did. And now we're gonna just put everything back in and install it. It should be good. All right, So after you plug everything in, just want to turn the car on, test it out. So hold on, hold the radio for me. Let's see how this goes. Turn it on, should come on. And let's just test the radio with whatever default music they got. Let's see. Work. So just go through your screens.
Where's Layla?
Connect Bluetooth. All right, so we're gonna screw everything back in, put everything back to where it goes, and then we're gonna test everything out. And boom, complete product. Car started. Let's make sure AC is working. I hear it. Right, and I feel it. Go. So now you just set up your Bluetooth and you're good. Easy, plug and play. It was simple. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Have a good one.